How to update the software on your iPad. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm your solution guy Bimo, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can actually update your iPad software. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, in order to update our software on iPad, you have to make sure to actually connect to the internet. So make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi. I would recommend connecting to Wi-Fi instead of your normal cellular data. So once you're connected to the Wi-Fi, I will go ahead and launch the settings app on my iPad. Once you launch the settings app, on the left hand side you'll be able to see a bunch of various options. You simply want to scroll and find the option which says general, so go ahead and select general. Once you're on the general, it is going to be highlighted in blue. And on the left hand side of the general, you'll be able to see various options right on the right hand side. So as you can see, about and so on, but we have to simply go ahead and tap on software update. I will select software update and it is going to automatically check for updates. If your iPad has an update available, it is basically going to show up here. It says this update as universal control, so that you can use a single mouse and updates and so on. You also have a few more information about the update. Now keep in mind that if your battery percentage is below 25 to 20% level, you will not enable the option which is install now. In my case, you are just grayed out because I basically don't have enough battery to install it. Apple always recommends that you actually charge your battery before you try to install the update. So go ahead and tap on the install now button. It will ask you for a confirmation to download it. After the download is complete, your iPad is going to automatically reboot and then install the latest iOS update. And this is how you can update your software on your iPad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.